still can't see. What the fuck, man? Is it some bullshit? You know?
No, that's not auto darkening.
What the fuck, man?
It's just dark.
What's going on? This thing's fucking tiny? Who the fuck was wearing this thing?
Oh,
God
bless your
damn.
little heart.
I can't see. I still can't see. Oh. Okay. Oh, it's just dirty. Gotcha. How the fuck are you supposed to do anything with this thing on?
Yo,
This is crazy.
you give me a pillow.
Fucked up, Liza. You know that?
Mike, right over here. Grab the towels. Over there.
Oh, they're clean though.
Just
I don't
smell it first. One of
I gotta
them
be
smells
honest.
like raccoon piss.
Gotta be honest, I don't want that. Motor oil or grease or whatever would be okay. Raccoon piss, not so much. But whatever works. Just need a place
Fuck.
Oh my god. Oh.
It's fucking on like Donkey Kong.
There you go.
Ready?
Right here. Oh, baby, that's nice.
I still can't see.
Hold on, Mike.
Okay.
Let me see your face.
What's going on here? Something's happening here. There's buttons in here. This is fucked.
Bring the juice up.
What's that mean?
Voltage.
3 to 4?
Yes.
Yep, all the way. Thank you.
Oh, that's fucked.
Now that's a good weld.
Oh, that's cool, man.
What do you want, some water on it? I'll throw some water on it?
Nope, not yet. Hang on. Nope.
Oh, we gotta drill it again?
Yeah, re-drill.